The big story, viewers, that we have for you this morning is the latest that's happening in the national capital. The political battle in Delhi is escalating as Aam Aadmi Party and BJP clash over Sheesh Mahal issue. Aam Aadmi Party plans to open the Sheesh Mahal to the public, and there's high drama that can be seen right now. For more on this, let me straight away go across to my colleague Pradeep Datta joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, we heard the Aam Aadmi Party leaders a short while ago. Tell us what's happening right now.
Yes, you're absolutely right. High drama right now continuing outside Chief Minister's official residence. And you can see once again the Dharna politics has started. I can show you, I'll try to show you. You can see right now Sanjay Singh along with Saurabh Bhardwaj. They are sitting on a Dharna outside the residence, official residence of the Chief Minister. Short while back they came out to this place because yesterday they had given a press conference saying that they will take journalists inside on a tour of the so-called Sheesh Mahal, what has been described by the BJP. They're saying that they want to simply demolish lies that are being churned out by the BJP. They want, because BJP is spreading lies, they want to show journalists that there's nothing called minibar, there's nothing called swimming pool inside. So they want to show how much amount has been spent. But now the question that the BJP is asking, that why all of a sudden after announcement of the election, they are trying to take journalists inside. Why they were not taken inside when they were in possession of that building, when this controversy has started last year. And it was short while back, you can see they were blocked from moving inside. Already the area has been barricaded. Large number of police personnel had been deployed, and obvious reason that they knew that nobody is going to allow inside because they had not.
they रोज नए नए फोटो भेजते थे, अब हम खुद ही आ गए सारे कैमरा वालों को लेके। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी भाग रही है, उल्टा भाग रही है। 3-3 लेयर की बैरिकेडिंग लगा दी, पानी फेंकने वाले फुवारे लगा दिए, डीसीपी एडिशनल डीसीपी को खड़ा कर दिया। पूरी की पूरी जो है इसको जो है आपने जो है बॉर्डर बना दिया। क्यों बना दिया? कि मीडिया ना जा सके। अरे भाई आप दिखाइए स्विमिंग पूल कहाँ पे है, मीडिया वाले भी देख ले। बार कहाँ पे है, हमें भी पता चल जाए। हम तो जाते थे, हमें तो दिखा नहीं, हो सकता कि छुपा हुआ हो तो हम भी देख लें। टॉयलेट सोने के हैं, हमने तो देखे नहीं, हमने तो इस्तेमाल भी किए, मगर अगर हैं तो ढूंढा जाए, आपके साथ ढूंढा जाए, और अगर नहीं है तो उस सब को हम प्रधानमंत्री आवास में ढूंढे। कहा जा रहा है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी द्वारा आरोप है 33 करोड़ रुपए का मुख्यमंत्री आवास बना। चलिए आपकी बात ऊपर की हमने। ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि 2700 करोड़ रुपए में प्रधानमंत्री आवास बन रहा है, 2700 करोड़ रुपए में। तो भैया वो प्रधानमंत्री आवास भी देखेंगे हम, मुख्यमंत्री आवास भी देखेंगे और पब्लिक को दिखाएंगे, और पब्लिक खुद तय कर ले कि अगर आवास और निवास पर ही वोट डलना है दिल्ली का, तो दोनों के आवास निवास दिखा दिए जाएं और पब्लिक उसी के ऊपर वोट डाल ले। हम तो चाह रहे थे कि बिजली पे, पानी पे, शिक्षा पे, स्वास्थ्य पे, 2100 रुपए महिलाओं पे, सीनियर सिटीजन के इलाज पे, पुजारियों के 18,000 रुपए पे चुनाव हो। भारतीय जनता पार्टी कह रहे नहीं, मुख्यमंत्री के निवास पे चुनाव होना चाहिए। तो हमने कहा भैया एक ही दिल्ली में उसी कोरोना के समय सरकारी पैसे से 2 निवास बने हैं। प्रधानमंत्री का निवास बना है, मुख्यमंत्री का निवास बना है। मुख्यमंत्री का निवास दिखाने हम आ गए हैं। अब जो है भारतीय जनता पार्टी घबरा रही है। अब इसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलेंगे, उनसे कहेंगे प्रधानमंत्री जी आपके यहाँ आए हैं, अपना निवास जो है दिखाइए, हमें भी दिखाइए, मीडिया को भी दिखा के देश को कृतार्थ कीजिए। तो देखते हैं, यहाँ की चाबी कह रहे हैं जेई के पास है, प्रधानमंत्री निवास की चाबी तो प्रधानमंत्री जी के पास होगी।
जब यहाँ अंदर नहीं जाने दिया तो वहाँ जाने देंगे?
अभी पीएम हाउस जा रहे हैं क्या? बिना परमिशन के आप सरकारी आवास में कैसे जाएंगे, क्योंकि अलॉटमेंट तो वापस ले लीजिए।
अरे भैया, हाई कोर्ट कह रहा है कि बिना परमिशन के कोई भी किसी के सरकारी आवास में जा सकता है। यही तो कहा गया था स्वाति मालीवाल जी के विषय में कि वो किसी भी सरकारी आवास में जा सकता है कोई भी, क्योंकि आवास आपका नहीं है, ये सरकारी है। तो भैया ये सरकारी आवास है, हम इसमें जाना चाहते हैं। अब आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई कैसे जा सकता है किसी आवास में?
Thakur of the Bharatiya Janata Party is now joining us on the phone line. Good morning. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. We are seeing high drama outside the CM residence, which is in the eye of the storm, and Aam Aadmi Party repeatedly saying that it wants media to go inside, it wants to go inside, but not being allowed. Your first reaction?
Actually, which is government property, no one can oppose to enter inside. That is the main speech. And what is the secret inside? That is why they are hindering to enter people. We have to see that. We need to see that because someone, when opposing, that means there is something secret. And what is that secret? That general people cannot be enter inside, which is obviously government property.
Okay, but we are seeing now Aam Aadmi Party netas there, all senior ministers also literally holding a dharna, and they are saying that the whole area has been barricaded. They are trying to enter but not being allowed inside, and they are also hitting out at the Prime Minister, calling it Sheesh Mahal versus Raj Mahal.
Actually, someone who pretends like a layman, and he built up Sheesh Mahal, and general public thought that is obviously government property, and if that is government property and someone Karyakarta doesn't let them to enter, it means something secret inside. And my question is, what is inside? What is inside? That's why they are not given them to enter. There is many questions raised for that reason. They are doing the dharna. I mean, it will be simply clear if someone investigate about that. I think so.
All right, Shantanu Thakur, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let's now quickly move on, viewers, and there's some more breaking news coming in as far as this Delhi Dangal is concerned. Now there is politics over posters. So there is a poster war that is also simultaneously going on in the run-up to the voting in National Capital on 5th of February. Amid storm over Sheesh Mahal, amid this fight over Sheesh Mahal versus Raj Mahal, BJP has launched some posters targeting the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP takes loot ka adda jibe at the Aam Aadmi Party, and it has in fact invoked Sheesh Mahal attack against the Aam Aadmi Party once again. Let's go back to Pradeep Datta, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Pradeep, give us more details with this new poster that BJP has come out with, taking loot ka adda jibe at the Aam Aadmi Party.
See, the BJP, from day one, we have seen that they had been hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party for corruption, because yesterday also I was interacting with some of the BJP leaders. They said that while they are talking about freebies, we are talking about free seats. I said, what does the free seats indicate? They said free seats means free of the corruption by the Kejriwal government and free of the Congress, because they do not want, neither they want corruption, neither they want the Congress here. So that's what they are saying. Now they have come out with a poster where they are saying that how there had been loot and kasur going on during the Kejriwal's time. That's one of the reasons that we saw that there had been the liquor gotala, there had been so many other things also, and we saw that high drama going on outside the Chief Minister's official residence also. This is also a controversial building, because BJP is alleging that the money, that was the taxpayers' money, that was used for the luxurious item, that was used for construction of Chief Minister's bungalow. Though that allegations are being refuted by Aam Aadmi Party, they are saying nothing of that sort has happened. They are in fact trying to raise questions. They are saying that BJP should also try to show the Prime Minister's residence. So it is now Sheesh Mahal versus Raj Mahal debate. That is what they are trying to stoke. But one thing is quite clear, that they are trying to draw a political mileage. We saw that they came out to this place, their entry was blocked, and after that they sat on a dharna. There was a confrontation between the police officers and Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj. They said who had given them orders not to allow us to go inside. If it is an official building, so we should be allowed to go inside the official building. But the question arises, right now the position of the building is not with the Aam Aadmi Party. It is in position of PWD department, Public Works department. So how come you enter inside? That is what the argument is given by the officials here. So they were not allowed. The area was barricaded, and you can see large number of police personnel. They are deployed here since morning, and ever since the Aam Aadmi Party declared that they will be taking journalists inside, since then you can see that heavy contingent of police personnel were brought over to this place. Area was barricaded. And when today morning Sanjay Singh along with Saurabh Bhardwaj, they came out to this place, their entry was blocked. They were not allowed to go inside because they wanted to take journalists inside. They wanted to have a tour of this building, because they are saying there's nothing called swimming pool, there's nothing called minibar, there are no toilets with gold made toilets there. So they are saying the BJP is simply spreading lies. They are trying to malign image of Aam Aadmi Party. But the BJP is asking one question, that why they did not take journalists inside when the building was in their position, when the controversy has started last year. Why they were trying to hide things that time. Why all of a sudden after announcement of election date, they want to take journalists inside. That clearly indicates that this is political stunt. This is nothing but they are trying to get the political mileage out of this drama. That's what the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to do. But so far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they are saying that now from here, they have moved towards, they are saying we'll be meeting Prime Minister and we'll be going inside the Prime Minister's residence because we want to show journalists that how much amount has been spent in the construction of Prime Minister's residence, what they call, describe as Raj Mahal. So here you can see heavy deployment of security since morning. Short while back we saw the political drama, we saw the dharna they sat here after giving the sound bites. Finally they have left. I asked them a question that BJP is saying why last year they were not allowed, they were not taking journalists inside this building, why they were hiding things. That's what the BJP is saying. So they had no clear-cut answer for that. But here right now you can see the heavy deployment. This area has been already declared no drone zone. It was yesterday Sanjay Singh gave a press conference. He said that he will be taking journalists inside this building because they want to show journalists that there is nothing called swimming pool, there's no mini bar, and this is basically the fake narrative that is being unleashed by BJP. They want to demolish that fake narrative. That was the idea that they came out to this place. But so far as BJP is concerned, they're saying this is nothing but political stunt, trying to get political mileage out of it because they have nothing to show already. They are neck deep in corruption, and many of their leaders have already been jailed for this reason. So this time they have nothing to show during election. So that's one of the reasons they are resorting to this kind of a drama. Let's see what the next is going to happen. But yes, all I can say, all roads lead to Rome will be wrong today. I will say all roads are leading, so far as the journalists are concerned, to this particular area where you can see the journalists are seen jostling for the space to get one sound bite of Saurabh Bhardwaj as well as Sanjay Singh, who were here sitting on a dharna short while back, and now they are saying they are moving towards the Prime Minister's residence because the key of his residence.
Absolutely, Pradeep. Till now, it was Parvesh Verma, the BJP candidate, who had urged PWD to open Sheesh Mahal for public viewing, calling it a symbol of corruption. And now, in response, Aam Aadmi Party wants, in fact, media to be allowed inside the CM's residence, which is in the eye of the storm, so that whatever allegations are being made by the BJP, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, can be proved wrong, because they are claiming there is no mini bar, there is no swimming pool, and that's the reason why they want the journalists to go inside and see it. But right now, the whole area has been barricaded. No one is being allowed inside. Thank you, Pradeep, for the moment, for joining us with those details.